This Thanksgiving, the only thing that should be overflowing is gratitude, not your drains. But when your sink backs up, when the water won't go down, or when your house starts sounding like a bubbling turkey pot, don't panic. Emergency Master Plumbing and Air is here with same-day drain unclogging across Arizona. Fast, clean, and stress-free. While you enjoy family, food, and football, our expert technicians take care of the mess you don't want to deal with. Grease clogs, hair clogs, kitchen disasters. We clear it all before it ruins your holiday. So this Thanksgiving, give yourself one more thing to be thankful for. A home that runs smoothly. Call now, 623-584-4706. Emergency Master Plumbing and Air. Clearing drains, saving holidays.